Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to review the vitamin C range from the brand Mamaearth. So without further delay, let's start this video. So I bought all these products from their website Mamaearth. So if you're also planning to buy these products, do check their website. So they have offers going especially on Wednesdays. So if you buy 2 products, you can get 1 product for free. So this is how the offer is. So I brought all these products with the same offer. So now without further delay, let's see what are the different products I have brought and the review. And the first product that I bought is their vitamin C face toner. So this is how the packaging looks like, and this is a 200 ml bottle, so it can easily last up to 4 to 5 months if you use twice daily. So this toner has water-like consistency, which is very easy for your skin to get absorbed, and this toner also has vitamin C and glycerin, which is very good for your skin if you have extremely dry skin, and even normal skin people can try this out. I have extremely dry skin and this has helped me a lot, and it removes the excess dirt that your skin has. You can literally see dirt coming out of your skin even after you wash your face. This is one of the best toner available in the market, and I would definitely recommend this toner. If you have dry skin, then you should definitely go for this. And the next product I brought from this range is the Mamaearth Skin Illuminate Face Serum. It has vitamin C and turmeric in it, and this is a 30-gram product and it retails for 599 rupees. I have tried this serum. It has a creamy consistency, so it is specially for people who are looking for a radiant skin. So it just gives some nice glow to your skin. So I apply this every night, and it really brightens up my skin and it makes my skin soft and supple. So the combination of this toner and this serum works the best, so I just love using this product. So if you're also looking for a serum which can brighten up your skin, then you can definitely try this product. So the last product that I brought from the Mamaearth website is the vitamin C sleeping mask. So this is how the packaging looks like. It is a 100-gram tub package and it retails for 599 rupees. So this product can last up to 4 to 5 months because only a little amount is required. So I have been using this product since 3 weeks now, and I can say that this product is really good. So one negative point about this product is that it has a weird smell which is quite strong, and it can irritate people who have sensitive nose. But I do not have any problem with the smell. So if you have sensitive nose, then it can be an irritation. So if you have dry patchy skin, then try all these products. The combination of these products works wonders on dry skin. That was all about today's video. I hope you liked it. If so, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video.